We are very pleased with our new SOEBIZ faucet. It looks good. It works great. So we're very happy. When we first got it, our main concern was checking the configuration of the hoses because the reason why we had to replace our old faucet was that the hose for the pull down sprayer was rubbing up against the two supply hoses for the hot water. The way that was put together created a huge problem. And we were relieved to see that the SOEBIZ pull down hose functions totally independent of the two supply hoses. The other thing we learned, though, is that you have to make sure that that pull down hose, even on the SOEBIZ, that there's no interference under your sink. So we had to move that. We had a hose that was sort of interfering and that would stop it from retracting fully. But we remedied that by just moving those things away from that area. Our house is 30 years old, so the configuration underneath our sink is probably a lot different than what it is in the more modern homes. The only other problem we had, and it wasn't really a problem, it's just that one of the supply hoses was not long enough to reach the water valve coming into the house. And so my husband went to Home Depot and purchased an extender, and we were good to go. So that's pretty much it. Everything else worked the way it's supposed to. I actually like this better than our old faucet. I like the way the handle works. It's just a nice faucet. It's attractive. It's easy to install. It is super easy to install. The instructions are clear. There are pictures as well as text. And so, this was a pleasant experience for us. So it's not an expensive faucet, but it is well made, and we anticipate getting years of service from it. It's 5 stars for us. We are happy campers.
So the button just stops it. Like if you need to point it a different direction, you can pause it. Shower. And just regular stream. Careful, it'll push back behind. So be careful, don't push it behind the counter. It'll go around. And it's hot.
Okay, so
Hot's towards you. And then let go, it goes mostly that. So, boom. And underneath, you got the connections. Counterweight. Like I said, it's clunky because it hits the drain pipe. So, and then it pivots there too. So.
stops the flow of water. So if you need to put it in a bucket or whatever, and you just release it, it comes back. Flip the upper lever, you got the spray. And this thing's got some power to it. But I've never done one of these reviews, and I'm going to tell you, I am honestly just simply amazed at the quality of this thing for 29 bucks. Come on.
Very tough people, by the way. They have to pass a toughness test. So, and we're allowed to do that now according to the United States. They're not tough. We don't want them.